Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine, beta. I hope you are clear with whatever we have done in chapter number 3. In the last class, we read that Tommy screamed with laughter. You do not know much, Margie. He was making fun of Margie that she did not know much about school. The teachers did not live in the house, and he was explaining to her that the teachers did not live in houses. They used to come to a special building named called school. Okay, even the children have to come to the school to get education. Now we are proceeding with page number 17, and all the kids learned the same thing. So all the kids who used to come to school, they learned the same thing from the same teacher. Sure, if they were the same age. See, their level has to be same. Their age has to be same. But my mother says a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. See, Margie's mother, she used to say that the teacher had to be adjusted to the level of the children. Why? Because it was a mechanical teacher, not a real teacher. Beta, even your real teachers are appointed on the basis of your age. Okay. Likewise, I'm taking 7th and 8th, suppose. Sujata ma'am and Meeta ma'am is taking 9th and 10th. Mamta ma'am is taking 11th and 12th. So, we are appointed as per your levels. Okay. Now, just the same thing. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. That means if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. See, now she's telling that if you don't like the book, you don't have to read it. I didn't say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. She is telling that she didn't. She's not saying that she did not like the book. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Why she's calling those funny schools? Because she had never heard about such schools before. They weren't even half finished reading the book when Margie's mother called Margie's school. So her mother called that it was a school time. See, they can get the education at any time at their house, whereas in normal schools you have a fixed timetable. You have to go reach to school at a definite time and leave at a definite time. Margie looked up. Not yet, mama. That means she was not in a mood to attend the school that time. Okay, now said Mrs. Jones. Who's Mrs. Jones now? She is Margie's mother, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So now mother is telling that it's time for Margie, as well as she's talking to Tommy that it's probably your time. Probably का मतलब होता है शायद. Okay, शायद तुम्हारा भी time है school attend करने का. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" Now Margie is interested about reading about schools, real schools. So she suggested to read further after attending their classes. Maybe he said nonchalantly, calmly, that is okay, fine, हम पढ़ लेंगे. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Whistling, वो मस्ती से अपने विसल करता हुआ जा रहा है और उसके अंडर आर्म में क्या है, उसने बुक कैरी की हुई है. Margie went into the school room बेटा, where she used to get her education. It was right next to her bedroom. See, nowadays you are also having classes in your bedroom or a room next to your bedroom. Okay, and the mechanical teacher was on waiting for her. See, the mechanical teacher, I'm talking about computer teacher, and waiting for Margie to get her lessons. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday means it used to be off for her, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. See, if you are punctual in your life, if you have a timetable and you follow it, you will never lag behind. So that's why punctuality is necessary. And Margie's mother always tests that she should learn things at particular time, fixed time. The screen was lit up and it said, "Tommy, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions." Arithmetic कौन सा सब्जेक्ट होता है बेटा? आपका मैथ्स होता है. The screen was lit up. जो स्क्रीन क्या थी? ऑन थी, और उस पर वो क्या शो कर रहे हैं? अर्थमेटिक लेसन्स. अर्थमेटिक होते हैं मैथमेटिक्स लेसन. इज ऑन द एडिशन ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस, जो आप भी सीख रहे होंगे आई गेस. प्लीज़ इंसर्ट येस्टरडेज होमवर्क इन द प्रॉपर स्लॉट. इंसर्ट होता है बेटा डालना, पुट करना, and proper slot is the proper area where you have to put your homework. Okay, submit your homework. So it asked for yesterday's homework also. Margie did with a sigh. See, look at the word sigh. वो ठंडी सांस ले रही है. She also wished to have real school. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Like your age. She's talking about your age when as you are a kid, your grandchildren would be there to get education through mechanical teacher. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Schoolyard होता है बेटा स्कूल के आंगन में. As you people come to school, you make a noisy atmosphere in the corridors. Okay, sitting together in the schoolroom. As you sit in your classrooms, going home together at the end of the day. While at the time of dispersal, you people go together towards your buses. They learn the same things so that they could help one another in the homework and talk about it. As you get lessons from your single teacher, from your own teacher, and then discuss in your groups. And the teachers were people. Look at the word she's talking about, people. She was having mechanical teacher, but you people have real teachers. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add the fractions half and 4, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved in the old days. Now, as you are sitting at home, I hope you people are missing your schools as well as your teachers. Even we people are missing you. She was thinking about the fun they had. That's why she had the title is appropriate. She was thinking about the children, how they used to have fun in getting their education. I hope you are clear with the chapter. Let's do the exercise. Understanding the story. Complete the following statements. Tommy found a real book about schools. Okay, the part of mechanical teacher that Margie hated the most was the slot where she had to put her homework. Once the inspector had taken away Tommy's teacher because his history sector had completely blanked out. Margie wrote her homework in She used to write her homework in punch code, which she had been taught when she was 6 years old. Margie's school was located next to her bedroom. Margie's school was off on Saturday and Sunday.